What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect a Bluetooth headphone to your PS5. And even if you have a Bluetooth AirPod or a Bluetooth earbuds that looks just like this one, you should be able to use either of the three methods I'm going to be showing you in this particular video to connect your Bluetooth device to your PS5. Now, just to show you exactly what I'm talking about, currently my Bluetooth AirPods over here are connected to my PS5, and to show you I will just place my mic on the earbuds now. I don't know, but you should be able to hear the sound from my Fortnite game playing from the earbuds. So basically, that is what I'll be showing you how to do in this particular video. Now, first things first, like you might already know, Sony does not allow you to connect external Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth AirPods or earbuds to your PS5. So even if you try to connect to a Bluetooth headphones from the settings of your PS5 and then just come over to the accessories option over here, you might be able to search and be able to find your Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth AirPods, but you may not be able to connect to it. So over here is actually my Bluetooth headphone, and once I select it, even if I try, you're actually going to get a warning letting you know that Sony only allows you to pair or connect to its own Bluetooth headphone or Bluetooth accessories. And basically the three solutions I'll be giving you in this particular video are workarounds so that you can still connect your Bluetooth headphone to your PS5 without any problem. Now, for the first method, you want to go ahead and get a Bluetooth transmitter or Bluetooth receiver that looks just like this. Now, this one over here is a Bluetooth transmitter and a receiver at the same time. I got this for about $10, but depending on where you're getting it from, you might actually get it for about $5 to $10. It is actually a very cheap device. All you just have to do is to get it, and then what we actually need from this device is the transmitter feature. And once you open it up, you're actually going to notice that it has both the transmitter and the receiver feature over here. And then at the top over here, it has a USB end. It also comes with this 3.5mm headphone jack to headphone jack cable, but we are not going to be using this cable for this particular purpose. All we need is the transmitter feature, and once you plug it on your PS5, the light on this device at this end over here will start to blink. It also has this button over here. Once it is plugged, you want to go ahead and long press on this play pause button, and it is actually going to change from the receiver mode to the transmitter mode. The transmitter mode, which is actually the mode we are interested in, shows blue light. So once you start to see the blue light on this device blinking, it means that the device is now on pairing mode, and at the same time you want to go ahead and make sure that your Bluetooth headphone or your Bluetooth AirPods or earbuds are currently on pairing mode as well. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes and this device should automatically connect to your Bluetooth AirPods or your Bluetooth earbuds or your headphones, and automatically you should now be able to get the sound or audio from your PS5 to your headphones or AirPods or earbuds depending on the device you're using. So my Bluetooth earbuds over here are currently on pairing mode, and I have just connected the device to my PS5, and if you just give it some few seconds, you're going to see how both devices are going to be connected. And after some few minutes, you can literally see the headphone icon over there, and it has just successfully connected with my AirPods as well. You can go ahead and do this for your headphones as well. Make sure that your headphones are actually on pairing mode, and they should also be able to connect to your PS5. However, if you notice that yours does not bring out the sound from your headphones, another thing you might want to do is to head over to the settings of your PS5 and then just go over to the sound settings at the bottom over here. And then from here, you want to make sure that under microphone, you set it to USB headset. Just as you can see over there, it also indicates that there is actually a USB headset that is connected to our PS5 as well. Now, for my second method to be able to connect Bluetooth headphones to your PS5, all you just have to do is to go ahead and connect to the Bluetooth of your TV if you're actually playing from a TV. Now, this might not actually be the best solution, but it actually works if you want to be able to get the audio from your PS5 to your headphones or your AirPods. Take for instance the TCL TV I'm using over here. Once I go over to the settings of the TV, I should be able to come under the remote and accessories option, click on add devices, and from here I should be able to pair my TV with other Bluetooth devices that are available. And as long as it is on pairing mode, I should be able to get the audio from my PS5, which is actually connected using a HDMI cable to my TV, and then finally get the audio from my Bluetooth headphones over here. The final solution to be able to connect Bluetooth headphones to your PS5 is actually for you to use the remote play option. And for this, you want to head over to the settings of your PS5 and then go over to the system settings. Now scroll down to where you have remote play and then make sure that remote play is actually enabled. Now once that is done, you want to go ahead and open up the remote play app on your phone. Basically, once you open up the app, you will have to set it up for the first time after getting it from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. And then you want to go ahead and connect to your PS5. Make sure that both your PS5 and your phone are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then finally, you want to come over to the Bluetooth of your phone. Make sure that you actually connect your Bluetooth headphone to the Bluetooth of your phone. So come over to Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then also make sure you search for the name of your Bluetooth headphones or your Bluetooth AirPods and actually connect to them. Here are actually mine, so I'll just go ahead and pair both devices. You want to come over to your remote play app again and then just click on your PS5. You should be able to find the name of your PS5, and once you start to play the game, the audio or sound from your PS5 will automatically start coming out from your Bluetooth headphones or your Bluetooth headset. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.